Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am so excited. So I got this, sorry, sorry Karen. If anything shows up on my video, I'm gonna like clip it out. Sorry. I got this package and I didn't know I was getting it, but my friend Karen over on Karen and MUA, guys, she is the sweetest sweetheart ever. So if you don't know her, it's always over here. It's always over here. So I'm going to link her channel in the, actually I'm online with her right now in a live chat. So I'm looking down at my phone to see who all's showing up because it's about to get started for her New Year's glam winner. I'm multitasking. But anyway, so she sent me this box. I don't even know why. But she sent me a friend mail. It's friend mail. That's why I'm her friend. So anyway, I was really excited because I got it yesterday. And so I was really exhausted yesterday whenever I got in from work. And so I didn't want to just film it, you know, haphazardly and not give the video any justice, or, you know, so I just waited until today because, you know, I just wouldn't have done it justice. So she sent me like friend mail. So anyway, and she definitely didn't have to do that. And she is the sweetest person ever. So if you don't know her and you haven't subscribed to her channel, you need to run over there and give her some love. You won't be disappointed. She is a wonderful makeup artist. She does beautiful, beautiful makeup looks. She does unboxings. And, you know, God love her, she really gives back. She gives back, you know, she has a kind heart. So she has this spirit, and I feel like that I am what people call an empath. Like, I just feel that, you know, I just can feel that about her. And so she has a daughter, you know, that a lot of times needs extra care, and she just, being a caregiver for someone, it is very hard on you. And she just has so much love about her that she really gives, just, you just feel it. You just feel it with Karen. And so, and it makes her very endearing. Her subscribers love her. I love her. People who, if you know her, you love her. That's just Karen. So I love doing collabs with her. I've gotten to do some collabs with her in multi-channel collabs, and I'm hoping that she and Jessica and I can do more collabs together. She's just a really good person to know. So go over to her channel and give her some love. And so she sent me this, and I'm going to open it, and I have no idea what is in this. I got to get my scissors. I used to have a box cutter up here, and then John thought that it was broken, but it wasn't broken to me. It was broken to John. And so he got rid of it. And like, I want my box cutter back. So now I have to, you know, like saw everything open with the scissor. Whereas if John would have just let me have my broken box cutter, it would have been better than sawing with a scissor. So anyway, so then he bought this device, but then he wants me to put it back in this spot. Well, I never put things back where they go. Like, why would I do that? And sawing things is just dangerous. Okay. She gave me a really nice note, and I just love it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Alright, so she sent me a really beautiful bottle, and this says, I don't know how to pronounce it. Amoro Vixa. I don't know what this is. It says the Queen of the Queen of Hungary Mist. So this must be a mist. Ooh, what a fine mist. A facial mist. So I like that. I love any kind of facial mist. I love that. So definitely excited to have this. I love any kind of, you know, I always, after I put on my makeup, before I put on my makeup, after I put on my makeup, I'm always spraying my face with a facial mist, and I love this. So thank you very much, Karen. I love it. And I don't have anything by this company. It smells really like spa-like, and I love the packaging. Oh my goodness, it is absolutely gorgeous. Lovely. And then this is it Prod or Pry? Throat cream. Ageless throat cream. Oh my gosh. The part of my body that I wish would go away. I need this. Okay. So, you know, they make so many good products for everywhere on your body, except anything that works on your throat. So I bought that Spencer Barnes cream. Don't work. Don't waste your money. Don't buy the Spencer Barnes stuff because it doesn't work. But, oh, I definitely need something that's going to, like, I need a filler injection for my throat. For my neck cream. My face looks so much better than my neck. And I think that that's really a lot. And my my décolleté is fine, you know, because I've never gotten out in the sun. But, my dry skin really shows up on my neck. So thank you very much for this. I am going to really enjoy testing this out. And if anybody out there knows of anything that actually does work, I think the Gold Bond, I've heard good things about the Gold Bond, but I can't seem to find it in the stores. I don't know which one to buy. So yes, throat and décolleté cream is what this one's called. And it's, I think it's PRAI is the name. I'm going to show this to everybody because if it actually works, then that's great. So yeah, wonderful. Then she gave me an Urban Decay All-Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This is really, really good for like when you really want your makeup to last. When you're going out and you're going to be really partying it down, this is the one that you want to reach for. So I do usually keep this around. Sorry, I do usually keep this around in a, it's usually the small ones that I like to keep around. So I love to get the minis in this. This is actually my favorite size to have in these. So thank you for that. This is a great box, girl. This is a great box. I'm loving it. I'm saving the best for last, if you can't tell. This is a Delilah Brow Groom. I love brow pencils, and I even love this type of one very much. It's the lobular kind. So it's the ones that's shaped like this. Love this style. And this one is a very good color for me. She's hitting home runs out of the park, people. She's curated a very good box. So that is awesome. And it comes with a spoolie. Okay. Woohoo, baby. It comes with a spoolie. I love these type of pencils very much. I really, one of my favorite brow products is the Joa, and see, it's got the same type of lobular is what I call them. I know that's really probably not the word that I'm supposed to be using with that. It's probably not the right word to describe it, but that's the one that I'm really, the shape that I really like. I don't know what the proper word is, but I love that shape. Then this is a smoothing radiance mask by Filorga Laboratories. I've never seen this before either, but I am all about a mask, and a smoothing radiance mask is, you know, my game. That's what I'm into. I'm into smoothing, line filling, hydro, radiance, brightening, any of those words that you can use with something. That's what I'm into. So thank you so much for that. Love it. So now, here we go. This is a Morphe palette right here, and I do not have this one. I do have some of the 9 panners from Morphe, which I love, and this one is one that I do not have. So you're hitting home runs out of the park today, baby. And this is right up my alley. This is the Always Golden Blend the Rules, it says. So, oh yeah, baby, I love this. Oh, this is so good, and it's got a nice black. Oh yeah, so there you go. I hope that you can see how gorgeous that is. I hope the lights are catching it just fine. This is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Oh my goodness, what a great box to get. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. So this is just a beautiful, like, naked palette. So let me swatch some of these for you. Oh my goodness, they're going on like a dream. Just like a dream. So the big Morphe palettes, I don't really do a lot of those because they're so huge. But these are like my color pops that I love. I just adore those. And I got a few of these actually. And I want to think it was maybe BOXY Charm Box or something that I got. I got one in that I was over the moon about. And then I ordered some kind of FOMO box, and I got another different one. Like, I didn't know that they came in different colors, and I got a different color. And so I've kind of been on the hunt for some of these. So I don't know if you can see this shimmery one right here, but it's really pretty. So those are some of the colors. And then I wanted to be sure and swatch this one right here. This is called Storm. And I wanted to see, this is a nice black. So there it is right there. I hope you can see it. I'm not real good sometimes at swatching, but there it is. That's a nice black. So I am so excited to have this, Karen Ann. You have just made my day, girl. It is just beautiful, and the selections that you have chosen for me are absolutely gorgeous. This is just a gorgeous palette. I'm so excited to have it. I've been kind of on the hunt for these little Morphe 9 pans. I've been kind of, you know, searching around the Macari for different ones that I don't have, so I don't know how you knew. But thank you so much. And guys, if you have not checked out Karen's channel, go over and check it out. She is such a sweetheart, and she does some amazing eyeshadow looks. She's very creative, and she really pulls the beauty community together with some of her very creative collabs that she does, and I'm so glad to call her my friend. So yeah, check her out, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. I most certainly have enjoyed opening this box, and thank you so much for thinking of me. So if you liked today's video, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel but you'd like to be, all you got to do is hit the big red subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified whenever I post further content to my channel, that's easy too. Just hit the post notification bell and YouTube will let you know whenever there's something new to watch. I hope that today finds you happy, healthy, and well, and that everything's going great for you in your neck of the woods. And I'll see you back here for my next video. Mwah! Smooches, everybody. Bye-bye for now.